Today, we re-diving deep into one of the most popular Ultrabooks on the market, Dell XPS 13 Review. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves sleek, powerful laptops, this one has a lot to offer. So let's see if the XPS 13 lives up to the hype. Technology and features. The Dell XPS 13 is packed with modern technologies that enhance productivity and user experience. 11th to 13th Gen Intel Core processors. Depending on the model year, you can find XPS 13 laptops equipped with Intel Core i5 or i7 processors, offering substantial power for everyday multitasking and demanding applications. Intel Iris Xe graphics. Integrated graphics deliver improved visual performance for tasks like video streaming, photo editing, and light gaming. InfinityEdge display. One of Dell's hallmark features, the nearly bezel-less display offers a stunning viewing experience with screen options including Full HD+, UHD+, OLED touch options. Eye-safe technology reduces harmful blue light without sacrificing display quality, making it easier on the eyes during extended use. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Ensures faster, more reliable wireless connections and lower latency for streaming, downloading, and peripheral use. Thunderbolt 4 and USB-C ports, high-speed data transfer, charging, and display connectivity, all in one compact port. Windows 11. Ships with Windows 11, Home or Pro, offering a modern interface, virtual desktops, improved multitasking, and seamless Microsoft integration. Performance. The Dell XPS 13 performs exceptionally well for an Ultrabook. Speed and responsiveness. Whether you're browsing, editing documents, or running applications, the XPS 13 handles multitasking with ease. SSD storage. Options ranging from 256 GB to 2 TB NVMe SSDs ensure fast boot times, quick file access, and reliable storage performance. RAM options. Available with 8 GB, 16 GB, or 32 GB LPDDR4X or LPDDR5 RAM, depending on the configuration. This supports smooth performance for multitasking and creative workloads. Thermal management. Advanced cooling systems help maintain performance during extended sessions without the laptop overheating. For professional users, students, and remote workers, the Dell XPS 13 is more than capable of handling productivity suites, web apps, and creative tools like Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, and basic video editing. Design. The Dell XPS 13 is widely praised for its premium, minimalist design. Build quality, constructed with precision-milled aluminum and carbon fiber or glass fiber palm rests, the laptop offers both strength and sophistication. Display. The InfinityEdge display delivers vibrant colors and exceptional clarity, especially in the 4K and OLED models. Touchscreen options are available in some variants. Keyboard and touchpad. Backlit keyboard with good key travel and a large, smooth glass touchpad provides a comfortable typing and navigation experience. Color options. Platinum silver with black carbon fiber or frost white with Arctic white interior. Weight. One of the biggest advantages of the XPS 13 is its portability. Weight starts at around 2.59 lbs, depending on configuration. Thickness. As slim as 0.58 inches. Perfect for frequent travelers, remote workers, and students who need performance in a compact form. Price. The Dell XPS 13 is a premium laptop and its price reflects that. Base model starts around $899 to $1,099 USD. Higher-end models can reach $1,500 to $1,899 plus USD. Custom configurations. Dell offers customization on their website for users needing specific specs. While not the cheapest laptop on the market, it offers excellent value for its build quality, display, and performance. Pros: great display, lightweight, long battery, Thunderbolt 4. Cons: limited ports, expensive.